What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is literally just so random again. Where have I been for the last week? You haven't seen any YouTube videos. Where have I been? But I am back now. So in this video, I'm going to take you through different montages, different clips of where I've been over the past week and why I've not been on YouTube. So stay tuned, guys. See you in a second.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something.
So guys, first and foremost, I just want to give a little plug to the book that I'm actually releasing at the moment. If you guys are in property, if you're thinking about getting in property, this book is going to be super value packed for you guys, especially in the rent-to-rent sector. Even if you're not thinking about getting into property, first half of the book talks about mentors and different things that actually happen in the property industry. So you can actually use this information and transfer it into other industries that you may be thinking of getting into. E-commerce, whether that's drop shipping, something like that. Because in different industries, these things still happen in regards to mentors, training, just suckering you in there just for the money, not actually providing value. So the first half of the book actually revolves around mentors and trainers and opening your eyes and shining the light on these people so you don't actually fall into the trap of shit mentorships that just provide you with nothing. Also, right at the beginning of the book is my story where I went from like having just a standard 9-to-5 job to now turning over like at least $250,000 a year in such a short space of time. That story is super inspirational, super motivational. It will massively help you with the inspiration and the positivity. But a lot of the value comes in the second half of the book. I have literally given a step-by-step plan and roadmap to actually securing deals, how to set up your company, how to find the deals, how to do the numbers, how to like secure the deals, literally laid out step by step. There is no other book out there that gives you this amount of detail in a step-by-step format at this level. What I have put in this book is literally at like mentorship level, where usually you'd be paying like $2,000 to $3,000 at least to get this information. Now, the book at the moment is on pre-order. It is £9. Head over to www.matrixsecrets.co.uk. The book, like I say, is on pre-order at the moment. It's going to be released in the next couple of weeks. And it is only £9. And the first 10 people who pre-order are going to get a bonus. You're going to get a free 15-minute phone call with myself. You can ask anything you want. We can go over anything you want in them 15 minutes. And that is for the first 10 people that pre-order. So head over now, pre-order the book. It's coming out in a couple of weeks. But anyway, guys, enough of that. Let's just jump straight into it. So for the past week, I've actually been over in Italy, snowboarding in a place called Livigno. It's up in the Italian Alps, and something really cool is actually in 2026, so in 2 years time, the Olympics are going to be held there. The Winter Olympics, the snowboarding, the skiing, etc. All that's actually going to be held there, which is really cool. So that's where I've been for the past week, and that's why there's been no videos on the channel. I've just been away. I've been sort of away from business and just enjoying the experience, enjoying the place. It's a really nice place. Got some really nice views, like the mountain. It's actually sat in a valley. The town's at the bottom, and you've got like a mountain on each side. But anyway, I'm not going to ramble on too much. I'm just going to drop in loads of clips, loads of montage about the whole past week, show you different parts of Livigno, snowboarding, up the mountain, shopping, in a spa, etc, etc. Loads of little cool bits. And that's what this video is going to be. So you can see what I've been up to, what Livigno's like, what the Italian Alps are like. And obviously, if you guys decide to go there yourselves, you'll know exactly what it's like and what to expect. But yeah, highly recommend going and checking the place out. It's a really good place to go snowboarding, and actually there's loads of different slopes there. But yeah, guys, enough of that rambling, enough of me. Here's the montage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that montage. Threw in a load of clips for you there. Hopefully you think the place looks nice. It was really, really nice. But anyway, guys, we're back now. We're back on the channel. We're going to be making these regular videos again, going over property, going over business, going over success, inspiration, motivational stuff, positivity. Yeah, we're back now, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because the videos are coming again on a consistent basis, daily, weekly. So hit the notification bell because as soon as I drop a video, notified instantly, new video, head over to the channel, check it out. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button and comment in the comment section below. But anyway, guys, hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Keep smashing it and I'll see you in the next one.